Welcome participants in the Faculty Development Program on E-Content Development and Online Teaching organized by Chanmal Tarachand Bora College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Shirur. I, Kiran Badwe, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, today going to introduce you one software named CameDraw. This software is owned by Perkin Elmer. The software is easy to operate and useful in drawing chemical structures. With the help of this software, we can find the stereochemistry of the molecule. The structures drawn are scientifically meaningful, hence they are accepted in reputed journals and by publishers. We are science professionals, not artists. So, drawing structures with reproducibility sometimes becomes difficult task. CameDraw help us to overcome this problem. The chemical structures drawn are reproducible and reliable. We can draw 3D structures, colored structures with the help of this software, which makes us able to develop interactive presentations and academic videos. It also helps us to share scientific information. This helps us while making research proposals, submitting them and submitting reports, project reports also. This also helps us even in while filing a patent. We can draw structures from their name and can find correct IUPAC name from the structures. Various analytical and chemical property data can be obtained from the structures. We can easily expand the structures, reduce the structures, align the structures, we can rotate the structures in this software. Previously drawn graphical templates are present in the software, which are highly useful for researchers. The software is cloud compatible. Nearly 10 million compounds are preloaded in the software, which help us to find the chemical information of a compound with no time. We can even identify molecules from their CAS numbers with the help of software. We can find fragments and their masses with the help of this software, and can predict H1 and C13 NMR chemical shifts. If the software is integrated with Mesnova software, then we can easily process and annotate the NMR, MS, LCMS and GCMS data. As we have discussed, we can easily align the structures in the software. We can change and rotate the bonds very easily. The software is compatible with the Microsoft softwares such as Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. We can easily modify these structures within these softwares. The software is cloud compatible, so if you are working on one computer and upload that structure or the work online in CameDraw with the login credentials, you can work on the same work on the another computer at any place. software is integrated with SciFinder, which helps researchers to find references on the target molecule. It is also compatible with the Reaxys, so we can find the reaction information. The software makes our job easier by processing NMR, MS, LCMS and GCMS data. Various pre-drawn templates are given in the software, such as micelles, organelles, DNA and proteins. This helps biologists in their work. Thank you for kind listening.